Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing something a little bit different. It's a 1/87th scale bone shaker. Look how tiny this is. It's from 2007. This is the remake of the very first one they did. Here's a picture of the first one they did, but this is the little tiny mini scale of it. I think it's pretty cool. It's got mini 5-spoke, little tiny mini 5-spoke rims. They're so cute. They're so cute. I'll get this open if I can. There we go. Oh, it pops right open. Oh, I didn't know. Yeah, well, never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. Look at the little case it comes in. It's so cute. That's so cool. So here's a regular bone shaker. And here's the little tiny one. It is so small. That's so cool. Anyway, I'm going to go and take some close-ups, but this is... They got the tail lights done, which is awesome. Oh, I love this. It's so nice. They actually have a line of these smaller cars, but yeah. Let's go do some close-ups, and then we'll come back after. That was a 1/87 scale bone shaker from Hot Wheels in their tiny form. Now the designer is Larry Wood, obviously, because he designed the bone shaker, and this is a bone shaker, just a smaller version of it. The only info I could find on this was that it was made in China and that it's the first car. So it's the same as the first car that was made the year prior. But other than that, it is hard to find. I checked the forums and the wiki pages, and I couldn't find very much. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.